What if I told you you could harvest fresh, juicy tomatoes in as little as 40 days? Most people never come close because they miss a single step that makes all the difference. Juicy, ripe tomatoes aren't just about watering and waiting. They need 5 essentials: deep roots, smart pruning, balanced feeding, steady watering, and perfect harvest timing. Miss even one, and you'll end up with weak plants. But master them all, and your seedlings can explode into a jungle of ripe, delicious tomatoes in just 40 days. But here's the twist. The final technique is the true game changer. If you don't see it, you'll miss the secret that decides whether you harvest baskets or just a handful. So watch carefully, because the climax at the end is where everything comes together. The first secret is deep planting. Instead of setting your plant at surface level, you bury 2/3 of the stem underground. Remove the lower leaves, dig an 8-inch hole, and plant it deep. Every buried stem sprouts roots, creating a massive underground network. More roots mean more strength, more nutrients, and much faster growth. Skip this, and you'll be waiting weeks for weak, slow plants. Next, pruning suckers. These small shoots grow between the main stem and a branch. They look harmless, but they steal energy that should go into fruit. Pinch or snip them off early, and your plant focuses on producing tomatoes instead of endless leaves. Be careful though, cut the wrong stem, and you risk slowing growth. Done right, this simple step channels the plant's power into fruit clusters. Fertilizer is where many gardeners sabotage themselves. Too much nitrogen creates giant leafy plants with almost no fruit. That's the silent killer of fast harvests. The fix: use a low nitrogen, balanced fertilizer rich in phosphorus and potassium. These nutrients tell your plant, stop building leaves, start making tomatoes. The difference is night and day. Watering is another trap. Sprinkling leaves spreads disease, and shallow watering keeps roots weak. The right way is deep watering at the base. Let the roots drink deeply. Then mulch the soil to lock in that moisture, shield against heat, and stop stress. Stick to this, and your plants grow steadily instead of stopping and starting. Now here's where you need to pay close attention. The final step is the one that makes or breaks your harvest. Miss it, and the first 4 techniques won't matter. This is the climax, the hidden key that only works if you've done everything else right. Keep watching, because this last reveal decides whether you get a few tomatoes, or more than you can carry. Here it is, the game changer most people don't know. Don't wait for tomatoes to turn fully red on the vine. That slows the plant down. Instead, pick them at the breaker stage, when they just start to blush. The plant thinks the fruit is gone and immediately pumps energy into making more. Meanwhile, those half-ripe tomatoes finish ripening indoors, safe from pests. This single shift gives you more fruit, faster, and for a longer season. The results speak for themselves. Baskets overflowing with ripe tomatoes in a fraction of the time. One plant, grown with these steps, can outproduce 3 plants grown the usual way. The difference is clear. 5 simple techniques, 1 massive payoff. So now you know: deep planting, careful pruning, smart feeding, consistent watering, and the ultimate harvest trick. Together, they unlock tomatoes in just 40 days. Which hack will you try first? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your results. And don't forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll expose one common gardening tip that actually destroys tomato plants faster than disease. It's a mistake most beginners make, and if you've been guilty of it, you'll want to stop immediately. See you there.